Quick versus fast. Quick describe how soon something happens. For example, she gave me a quick reply. Fast. Fast is used for high speed or movement. For example, the car is really fast. Warm versus hot. Warm is gently heated. For example, the soup is warm. You can drink it. Hot. Hot is used for extreme and temperature. For example, be careful, the pan is hot. Speak versus talk. Speak, more formal or one way. For example, he speaks the truth. Talk, casual and two-way. For example, let's talk after the class. Big versus loud. Big, more common in informal. It is used in everyday speech. For example, they live in a big house. Loud, it is more formal or technical. It is used in measurement. For example, the company owns a large facility. Tall versus high. Tall is used for things with height or a base, just like people or building. For example, he is very tall man. High is used for things above ground or sea level. For example, the mountain is very high. Kind versus nice. Kind is used for genuinely caring. For example, that was kind of you to help. Nice, being pleasant or polite. For example, he is always nice to strangers. Hope versus wish. Hope is used for real possibilities. For example, I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. Wish is used for unreal things. For example, I wish I could fly. Empathy. Sympathy is feeling sorry for someone. For example, I feel sympathy for her loss. Empathy. Empathy is understanding and feeling what they feel. For example, I can empathize with your situation. Teach versus learn. Dear viewer, comment the difference between teach and learn in the comment section. And if you have liked the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.